Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about pointer reference, and I've already added pointer reference module in our main file. So I'm quickly going to close this functions file from the previous video, and we are going to create a new file called pointer reference.rs. And again, we're going to do the same thing. Inside this, we are going to have a primitive array, and we're going to assign the values of that primitive array to another array. Then we're going to print it as a tuple. Let's see what happens. Pointer refs, that's the name I gave. Oh, okay. Looks good to me. Oh, okay. All right. We need to rename that file, since in Rust, we are supposed to have variable names. If they are long, we use underscore. So let's just rename that file, and let's just call it this. Moving back to it, then save it. Then let's try to run our code again. Oh yeah, let me just close that file now. So yeah, we were looking at this values 135, 135 inside this. So what happens if we have a non-primitive array? If there's a non-primitive array, which is basically a vector, let's see what happens. So this was a primitive array where it was simply very easy for us to assign the values of an array to another one. But in the case of a non-primitive array, this is what we do. For example, in the case of a vector, we give the address reference to the vector, and then when we print it, we get the values in a tuple form like this by their address. And this should work. Yeah, it's the same, but the only difference in these is that we are making use of pointer reference, and we are passing the address to the next variable in the non-primitive array, and we get the same values with the and sign over there, and then we can print it out like this. So this was mostly it in this video. See you in the next one.